To set up your time machine, the first thing you need to do is to plug in your external hard drive into your computer. Once you do that, you should see the drive mount up on your desktop like I see here, and then if you open up the Finder, you will also see it listed underneath of devices. If it does not show up on your desktop automatically, you can go into the Finder Preferences under the General tab and make sure that you have selected Connected Servers. This way those connected servers or hard drives will show up when they are plugged in. The next thing you want to do is go to the System Preferences and open up Time Machine. So you click on Time Machine, that opens. You need to unlock to make changes, typing in your username and password for your computer. You want to show Time Machine status on the menu bar, so when I select that, you then see the Time Machine icon on your menu bar. And then we want to turn on Time Machine. And finally, to set it up, the last thing we want to do is to select the disk that is going to be used as your Time Machine backup. So we click on Select Disk. It shows us the disks that are connected to our computer. I'm using Roadside Sample. I select that, and I select Use for Backup. Once that is done, it's set and ready to go. You can see it is saying next backup is going to happen in 100 and some seconds, but what we want to do is make that happen right away. So what you can do is go up, click on the Time Machine icon in your menu bar, and click Backup Now. Once you click Backup Now, the backing up procedure will begin. Now the first time you do a backup using Time Machine, it's going to take approximately an hour because it's backing up the entire contents of your hard drive on your computer. After you've done it that first time, the backing up will only take a few minutes, 5 to 10 minutes at the most, depending on how much new and changed activity you've done since the last time you've done a backup. In order to run a backup in the future, just simply plug in your external hard drive, go up to your Time Machine icon in the menu bar and click on Backup Now. What you want to make sure you are doing is checking to see when the backup was completed. Again, you can just click on the Time Machine backup icon, and at the top right now it's giving us the status saying that it is currently backing up. But when backing up is completed, it'll say last backup was at such and such date at a such and such time. So anytime you do a backup and you think it's completed, you want to take a look and make sure that it did actually back up at that time by looking at the date and the time. When you are finished and you want to unplug the external hard drive, never just unplug the hard drive. You always should eject the hard drive. There are two ways that you can eject the hard drive. One is to find the icon on your desktop, right-click, and eject. The other option is to open up the Finder. You see your hard drive underneath of Devices, and there is a little eject button there as well. So you would just click on that. Wait 5 or 10 seconds and then unplug your hard drive. If you do just unplug without ejecting, you risk the chance of damaging your hard drive and of course damaging all the files that you have saved on that.